Okay, I got the Vism Sentry plate carrier right around the 8th or 9th of December. Here it is, January 21st. Somewhere in the meantime, several weeks ago, this is what I got from NC Star Vism. They're going to send a buckle out. They had to wait for it like I have to wait. So anyways, let me show you some of the crap I had to fix on it, or one thing I had to fix on it. One thing I did just to kind of, I thought, to improve upon it. Oh, I'm not sure if anybody else knew this, and I think I forgot to mention this. The original video review of this plate carrier, NC Star Vism Sentry fast plate carrier, was looking at the Condor, but all the reviews online that show the Condor show the plate riding right tight against the back of the mesh material. With the Sentry, if you remember, there is some foam material in here. There's a ballistic nylon inner liner, the foam, and then the mesh outer that breathes, so you're getting more layers, and that plate isn't riding directly against your back. There's a layer of nylon, the foam, and then the mesh grid for airflow. So that was another reason, as I said, went with the NC Star Vism. Just looked to be a little bit better built, but other than that, all the other components, everything else, look almost like an exact match. Okay, so on the web strapping coming out of the back of the plate carrier, took a piece of Velcro, shoe glued it onto there, and then on the Molly K-bar adapter, took the opposite piece of hook Velcro, and I shoe glued it down the strips, and then what you do is just kind of slide that around. That locks into there. Velcro's on, you snap the snaps. And surprisingly simple. Yeah, it took me about 3 or 4 minutes of work, but I can mount a bayonet to my little side strap. So I know it's only home defense and you know, range shooting, so when I go to the range I'll probably take it off, but home defense I'll probably leave the bayonet on there. Simple, quick, down and dirty. Contacted the gentleman from NC Star Vism. He sent me this new buckle part. Problem is, it may not be that part. Maybe this part. When I put it in there and pull, it does the same damn thing. Put some light on the subject. Okay, I do have a really good Nexus IWB buckle, military grade. It does snap into there. I don't care, no matter how hard you pry, there's no pull of that. So that buckle cost me $10. Actually, I got 2 of them for $10. So, you know, I just went through the aggravation, unsew that thing, cut the stitches off carefully. I got to unwind that, remove this, feed it through there, then resew that other part. But, you know, where did that buckle they just gave me go? Pretty pathetic that the buckle, the replacement, doesn't work, and there's something there. So I don't know if I could build that part of the plastic up there. Some JB Weld 2-part epoxy. ITW buckle seems to be a little more robust. It's black, doesn't blend in, but who cares? You know, hate to badmouth NC Star Vism, but son of a gun, man, you know, where's your quality control? Somebody didn't give that a little snug pull and find out before they put it together that, hey, we got a defective buckle here, the molding's off. How many of these have they generated? How many of these have they put out with this part cast incorrectly? If you see my video the other day with NC Star Vism Tactical 2 1/4 inch gun belt, this is a buckle on there that came off of there. That one has slop too, but it doesn't pull out. Well, maybe I should check it, but anyways, you know, if I wanted to cut this part back there, pull that off, thread that out, you know, there's no easy fix. You know, just pissed off at this stuff. I think this would be the last time, unfortunately, I buy anything NC Star Vism. It's the one that came off my tactical belt. That one's got play in it. See how they pull out. and then the one he just sent. They pull right out. Oh, what a bunch of hogwash. Okay, I got the ITW Nexus buckle into there. I pull on that sucker, that thing ain't coming loose. Gotta really fight to get that to discharge. Ugh. That seems the simplest cure to fix. I'll just put the ITW in there, in this cheap part here, and then be done with it and sew it back up and be done with my headaches. Okay, so instead of getting out the needle and thread and trying to go through that and probably busting my finger or busting a needle, I just used some trusty old dusty shoe goo. So there we go. We have the ITW Nexus buckle into that NC Star buckle, and it holds tight, so almost tempted to cut that there, put a notch in the other half of the ITW buckle, and just put an ITW buckle complete on this side. So maybe I should order a couple of them and do that online or something. So anyways, it's a good plate carrier, but the buckles suck. What I also did, I took two sections that I had left over, and I cut them to the length of the shoulder pads, and they're able to slide up underneath the shoulder pads and give me another ½ inch of comfort. And man, all I can say is what a difference ½ inch of padding makes. But let me show you. What I'm going to do is slide those pads up underneath this part and then Velcro that down. That'll lock that in place. But let me show you the example. So I can't do this one-handed here. There you go. So you see the pad slides up underneath this other pad. It's probably 3/16, well, maybe 1/8 inch thick when it's all compressed. It works perfect to the even length of that pad. I have the second one over here, peeking out there. My damn thing. Peeking out there. See the plate carrier's kind of all folded up, still connected, so there you go. But what a difference. Now I don't have to worry about that little small section sliding out on me. Hopefully the duct tape there will keep those two sections together. Not perfect, but that's my fix. Thank you for viewing. Like and share. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Some days I put out several videos a day. Most times I keep one in reserve for tomorrow. So there's always at least one video from me. And please check us out on Patreon, BitChute, and Subscribe Star. Thank you.